everybody, my name is Teacher Rosanne. You are watching my YouTube channel called Teacher Rosanne and Starlettah. Hi everybody, my name is Teacher Rosanne and welcome to another day for calendar time. Let's sing! Hello, 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 how do you do? I'm glad to be with you, and you, and you, and you. Tra-la-la-la-la-la-la-la, tra-la-la-la-la-la-la-la, tra-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Wait a minute, la, tra-la-la-la-la-la-la. So, welcome. Let's talk about the calendar and let's find out what today is. Today happens to be the last day of classes for this week. And in a few moments, or should I say hours, it will be time to rest and then sleep and then experience 2 days of no classes. And these 2 days of no classes happen to be called, and these 2 days of no class days, that's what you call the weekend. As you know, you guys are detectives. Do you know what detectives are? Detectives are people who look for clues and they solve mysteries or puzzles by being very observant. And when you're observant, that means you're using your eyes, your nose, your ears, maybe your taste buds, and even your nerves and skin and muscles and, well, pretty much the whole of you, because you're wanting to know and understand things that other people cannot understand. Well, anyway, we are going to use my, what is this? We are going to use my short magic back scratcher. And what are we going to do with this magic back scratcher? We are going to perform magic on it so that it becomes a magic back scratcher. We are going to shout, yes, we are going to shout Abracadabra when I say go. Then it will lengthen and then it will be ready to use so I can point to all the numbers behind me. Okay, wait, maybe not all the numbers. Just all the numbers that are before the pink question mark. And remember, a question mark asks, it says, huh? Okay, so ready, get set, and go! Abracadabra! Here we are. We have lengthened or made the magic back scratcher longer than ever before. And we are going to now use it to count. What number do we begin with? Yes, we begin with the number 1. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and then, what comes after 15? Did you just say 16? Because you are right, and I know you're right because I peeked earlier. Yep, it's the number 16. Oh, you want to see what's underneath? Okay, I'll show you. Let's confirm your correct answer. See? 1 and 6. 1 and 6 say 16. Let's erase number 16 from the yellow board. We will use one finger, you and I, and we are going to trace it as we erase it using the same strokes to write it. Okay, so here we go. We're going to go up and then down. Oh, I hear squeaking, which is okay. After we do that, we go to the number 6. We make a letter C. We go round. There's the C. And then we go all the way around until everything is gone. That would have said 16 if we were writing it. But we erased it, so now it's just a yellow board. Parents, this is a picture frame that I modified. I placed a piece of paper inside that's colored yellow. It is usable and reusable if you use a whiteboard marker on the glass. I'm going to get 16, and what will I do with it? Throw it away? No, we are going to use this card that says 16 and place it in between the month which is April, and the year, which is 2021. From this empty spot right here, we're going to go up, 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 and look for the clue. Yes, this is a clue, and it says F. The sound of F is, you're going to bite on your lower lip very gently, and then you're going to blow out and make the sound of F. Are you ready? I'm ready. Here you go. I have some objects here that begin with the letter F. Like this one. And this one. And this one. Do you recognize these objects? Now, can you say the letter F by yourself? Ready, get set, go. That's it. See? All we need is practice and we get better at it. We have to make sure what this word is, which is also F and on a yellow card. So, I'm going to bring this down right there and like that for you guys. I'm going to sing with my red ukulele and you have to stop singing when you hit this spot. So we're going to do it together. Are you ready? Louder. You have to say it as loud as possible. Are you ready? Actually, maybe you don't know, but the answer is yes, I am. Or if you're plenty in the room, you say, yes, we are. So you choose which one you like. Well, to be safe, you can say yes, I am. Practice. Practice again. There you go. So when I ask you, you know what to answer. Are you ready? There you go. Alright, let's sing the Days of the Week song now. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Did you hear Thursday? Did you hear Friday? Notice how a little different these two words or these two sounds are. One is said this way, Thursday. And the other one is said this way, Friday. Thursday, Friday. One has a tongue and the other one does not. Now that we know that today is Friday, we can place the words today is against the word Friday. Let's do it. Yesterday was Thursday, so today is Friday, and tomorrow will be what? Who knows? Tomorrow will be Saturday. Saturday down here and Sunday up here are 2 rest days. Okay? We will not have classes. If you want to watch my videos over and 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 over again, be my guest. All the videos are there for you to enjoy. Now it's time to read the date and let everybody know for certain what day today is. Are you ready? What are you supposed to say? Yes, I am. Okay, again. Are you ready? Nice. Okay, here we go. The date today is April 16, 2021, and today is what? Friday. That's right, guys. You did it. Whoop, 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 whoop. Good job. High five. I'll see you soon. Bye. What are you going to do? Blow kisses and say bye-bye.